Assalamualaikum and a very pleasant day to all. My name is Muhammad Fairoz bin Hashim from 3 BMMA Section 2/1. Today I will be presenting about my final year project on a design of smart anti-theft motorcycle mechanical lock using a park method. For the introduction, the number of motorcycle robberies reported today is more than at any other time in recent history. Motorcycle is contribute significantly to the industry. Then there are motorcycles which are also widely used as a mode of transportation. Vehicles are used for both the lengthy travel between the house and a short trip to run errands around town. Furthermore, statistics about stolen motorcycle problem in Malaysia was under control, even though the number of motorcycle theft is falling year after year. Motorcycle theft continued to account for the majority of incidents across all vehicle categories. For the problem statement, the theft of motorcycle is becoming more common these days. In 2017, police received 31,577 reports of stolen motorcycle, with an average of 87 bikes stolen every day in Malaysia, according to staff. Motorcycle theft is common because there are not enough security locks for motorcycles that provide adequate protection, while as the price of motorcycles keeps increasing, motorcycle theft has become a problem that cannot be taken lightly. Thus, a high security lock for motorcycle was designed. As a result, it is tough to locate a finest lock motorbike on the market with great security, which is one of the main reasons why motorcycles are still simple to steal. For the common problem occur is first is easy to steal. Motorcycle theft is a crime on the rise, especially the theft of motorcycle that does not have high safety due to the fact they can be stolen in seconds. Then is a have low of safety. A handle lock is very easy to defeat. Thieves just need to kick the bus and its brakes. A typical technique, especially in a busy city, is to snap the steering lock, then push the motorcycle away. Project objective: first, to design a smart anti-theft motorcycle lock system using a park method. Second, to analyze a strength on the developed design using finite element analysis in SolidWorks software. Thirdly, to develop a 3D prototype of smart anti-theft motorcycle lock system using 3D printing. Fourth, to conduct a survey using experience questionnaire through online platform to find out of the quality of the prototype based on the potential users' opinion. Scope of studies. For the scope of studies, first is CAD development of the prototype only evolved around the first prototype before make some modification. The CAD model of smart anti-theft lock system is based on the tire for every type of motorcycle. FEA is only done on the CAD model of the anti-theft lock motorcycle. Third, develop 3D prototype of the smart anti-theft motorcycle lock system using a 3D printer. Lastly, the user study using UEQ is done through online platform by using Google Form. A video description of the 3D prototype was created in order to demonstrate to the responder how the prototype works and operates. Literature review. For the literature review, I found the type of lock. First type of lock is disc lock. The material used is stainless steel. For the pros of the disc lock is compact, lightweight, and a waterproof lock feature a 5mm pin diameter to fit smaller vein holes. Then this lock is well made, durable, and easy to put on and remove. It's heavy, solid, and the locking mechanism is smooth. It's highly visible and feel and look tough. For the cons, this lock can be bypassed by removing the disc from the wheel so that this can turn even if the disc lock is still in place. Then it does not fit all type of motorcycle. Second type of lock is a chain lock. For the material of chain lock is hardened steel plus Oxford fabric. For the pros, rust resistant, guard against theft. Then the chain lock is for the body for the chain lock made of durable steel and covered by black Oxford fabric. Then security grade metal chain with reinforced fabric to protect the wheel. Than that, protective textile outer sleeve protect paintwork and rims. For the cons of the chain lock is the keys are not universal. The interchangeability is only 2 and per mil. Then the other type of lock is a grip lock. The material, every grip lock contains 4 hardened steel core for maximum protection, and the reinforced nylon casing protect the grip lock from corrosion. The pros of the grip lock: it is solid, easy to use, and comes in bright, visible colors. You will never forget it's on your motorcycle once you put your hands on the handlebar. And the cons for the grip lock is the lock will not prevent someone from picking up your motorcycle and stealing it. It may be hard to turn the lock after it rains and may require lubrication. Lastly, the other type of lock is U-shaker lock. The material for the U-shaker lock is steel, and the pros for the U-shaker lock: first is relatively light and have stiff shape. Then U-shaker lock also can have thicker shackle without being prohibitively heavy. And for the cons for the U-shaker lock is it's often easier for the blade get an initial purchase on a U-shaker lock, meaning they can be cut quicker with using a cutter. Then I found the example design of anti-theft motorcycle lock from article International Conference on Circuit System and Simulation from Srikanda 2011. The title for the article is Development of Motorcycle Anti-Theft Alarm. The methodology is from studying an overview of current product for the motorcycle anti-theft. It is found the two-way motorcycle alarm is an interesting product for research and development. The article shows that he used the imagination and evaluation of concept, product architecture, parametric design, component selection, prototype assembly, software and program, and key function of high-skill thief detection. And the result, in general case, the thief cut the antenna of the control module that will disable the theft signal to wireless remote control. Owner is not aware of happening event with their motorcycle. Then the next article, I found the example applied for the PUB method from the article Race Engineering Design in 2009. The article for the title for the article is The Part Control Convergence Method Model-Based Evaluation and Implication for Design Theory. The methodology for the article is precise customer survey always help to identify customer needs and target customers. Make personal interview, focus the growth of customer, observing the performance of existing product, select a datum, and make a ranking and assessment. And for the result, PUB metric help you to select the best possible among the available options. You can decide the status of your product specification, which is more helpful in further step. PUB metric technique help to choose an ideas. Methodologies. The flowchart at the right hand side show the graphical presentation to show the methodologies for this project. The methodology of this project was discussed the process of development of self-anti-theft lock for motorcycle. Firstly, the focus of this project was on gathering as much design input from various sources, then doing some research about the design that would get solve this problem statement. Next, the process is continued with doing the design project by using Autodesk SolidWorks software. The design project must use the finite element analysis to find and see the strength of the body of self-anti-theft lock for motorcycle. Then, the process of develop 3D prototype will be proceed by suitable material using 3D printer. Lastly, The video description of the 3D prototype was created in order to demonstrate to the responder how the prototype works and operates. Prototype development process. The design concept that were generated at the concept design stage will go to the concept evaluation stage to evaluate and choose the most suitable design to develop the new prototype. Then this is a sketch design for my concept design for the anti-theft motorcycle lock. It has a lock at tire and the body is a cylindrical shape, and this is a applying lock at the motorcycle tire. Then this model has two body aperture that can be extended. Because the rear side of the product is larger, new shapes are constructed that may be extended when applied to satisfy compact criteria in the objective in order to make it easier for the process to be transported anywhere. Figure above depicts the 3D design of the body part that was drawn in the SolidWorks software. In the conclusion, in summary, the project intends to first utilize part method to assess several ideal designs, after which it will develop a new proposed design for further evaluation. Second, to design and construct an anti-theft lock system utilizing Autodesk SolidWorks software and appropriate material in accordance with industry standards. Finally, the project goal was to undertake a finite element study of the strength of a prototype 3D CAD model using finite element analysis. Then, utilizing 3D printing, a 3D prototype will be created which will aid in the demonstration of the anti-theft lock system designation. And that's all for me. Thank you.